look good, y'all. They look good. I'm a fan. I stand. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Lex Saucin. That's LEXSSUIN. I'm sussing on you. And I got a quick video for y'all today. I've been ordering on the fence. If y'all know anything, y'all been seeing it on TikTok. And I'm not paying $1,000 for a pair of sneakers. I'm not paying $250 for a pair of sneakers when they were sold for $100 or $120. So I have the package right here. Let me cover up my address. So this is exactly what it came in. It took about 3 weeks to get here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and bust this thing open. Now I will say, looking at it, like, it's in a box obviously, but it's already tearing on the corners, so it's giving no bueno. So it looks almost as if it's a box in a box. Let's see. Maybe not. Maybe it's just the sneakers. So I got, the box is pretty beat up, but everything is on the side. Everything's on the side. I usually get men's 8, because for some reason I feel like they run a slightly smaller, because I got an 8 in some other shoes that were, dunk related, and they're also on the fence. If y'all want me to do a video on those pair as well, let me know. Oh, I'm excited because it's giving. But look at these. Wait a minute. I'm not even gonna sit here and cap to you like, oh, like I'm a Nike expert, but I will say, everybody be pressing the toe box, and I wore my gray dunks the whole entire Christmas break, and they were from Dhgate, or the fence. I mean, I wore my gray ones from the fence, and they did not crease at all. Like, there's not a single crease, and I wore them probably 75% of the time. I did look these up on the internet beforehand, because I'm, again, no shoe expert by any means. I have no idea what be going on, so I didn't know what to really expect and what to check for, as far as with like screening these to make sure they're like authentic. I don't know if is there something supposed to be right here? I don't know. I really don't know, y'all, and I'm gonna be honest, I also really don't care either. I'm not a person for the brand, I'm a person for the shoe, and there's nobody else that makes a shoe like Nike, so like you have to get either the shoe or dupes. And this is the bottom, if that you know, that matters to you. But they don't smell. They have a plasticky smell. Like, they smell like if I were to go to Academy Sports. I also want to get into just a little bit of the packaging as well. So the packaging seems to be on brand. They have this little off-white shoo-wop, doo-wop. What I will say is something that typically comes with the sneaker. This is the other side. They seem to be matching. And they have, I made sure that the writing is only supposed to be on the inside of the shoe. It's supposed to have the 3 lines in the back. So it definitely does have those. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Yeah, so see right there, those are the 3 lines in the back. They're supposed to have that, and it's supposed to be curved. So it's supposed to be curved. Again, like I said, I am no shoe expert, so I did my best. But I'm gonna insert some videos of me wearing these and putting a fit together. But I'm so excited. The toe box looks nice. I'm loving this zigzag pattern. I love the hint of orange. I'm really trying to put green and orange together this year, so I'm excited about these. If you're a sneakerhead, drop your thoughts in the comment below, for other people, because I'm gonna wear them regardless, but other people need to know what they're stepping into and if they're gonna be shamed when they go outside. But I'm not gonna be shamed because shame isn't real. You create it. Okay. Alright, y'all. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. Follow me on all my social media. It's all in the description box down below. All you gotta do is tap on the link and it's gonna take you exactly where you need to go. Just go follow me and Michael's page, the D&T show. That also will be in the description box. Go show love on every platform because it really matters. We're on the road to 500 subscribers, so we're coming out with content every single week. We're going crazy 2023. We got goals and things and money to make. Peace.